Everybody, welcome back to One Dish Tip. In today's video, I'll be guiding you on how you can show me on Tinder settings. So to do that, go ahead, open up Tinder application. Now the user interface will look somewhat like this. Now go ahead and tap on that little profile icon which is appear on the bottom right corner. Now go ahead and tap on that gear icon which is also represented as settings, which is appear on the top right corner. Now you'll be brought up with the settings of Tinder. Now here you can see your phone number, email address that you have added. Now if you scroll down a bit, you can see your interest, your hobbies and your languages that you have added to Tinder. And this is what you get on Tinder settings. So I hope you found the video to be helpful and informative. If yes, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates.